ISAFTU ithi senkulu inselele yokuntuleka kwamathuba emisebenzi nokungalingani eNingizimu Afrika. Le nyunyana ikhala ngokuthi likhulu igebe phakathi kwalabo abasebenzayo nabangasebenzi.
The biggest one is unemployment. We want the President of South Africa, Comrade Ramaphosa, to deal with the issue of unemployment. That one is a no-no. We are saying enough is enough about that one. We are saying the government must implement and stop talking. This is the time for implementation. We no longer want them talking. 32 years of democracy, but we are not liberated.
Izinyunyana zithi uhulumeni wobambiswano naye uyehluleka ukuqhamuka namasu okuxazulula ukuntuleka kwamathuba emisebenzi kanye nezinkinga ezibhekene nezisebenzi.
This government is a disaster. For me, this government ought to have been gone long time ago. And I'm glad that there's a government of national unity, because all what it demonstrates is that it's not just a disastrous failure of the ANC, which is a catastrophe of the past 30 years, but that the likes of the DA and others that are posturing have no solution.
Lo mfelandawonye wezinyunyana zezisebenzi unikeza uhulumeni izinsuku eziyikhombisa ukubuphendule uhlu lwezikhalo zawo.